Hello students, welcome to eTuition, education for better tomorrow. So students, I think we did nouns, right? We were doing, wait. We did now. Today will be a revision work, okay? Let's see. So see, before proceeding, we all know that what do we have to do? We have to remember, right? We have to subscribe to our channel, like this video, visit us in our Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. If you have any queries, you can also visit us to our official website. Okay, so now let's proceed. So let's do a small recap of the last video that we did. Now see, what is it written? Recap of the previous classes. So what did we do? We did the noun. What is noun? Right? We practiced what is noun. We did what is noun and some fun time, right? Now then we did types of noun. In types of noun, I made two lines, right? In one part there was singular and plural, and the other parts were the types of nouns, right? But majorly we discussed which topic? Singular and plural. So today's topic of discussion is noun, but in a revision, okay? So that we can recap whatever we did. Okay. So next part. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Now see, what does pair means? Pair means, like, let's see. Suppose one shoe. You cannot walk in one shoe, right? You need another shoe. That is a pair, right? जो चीज जुड़वा में होता है, that is nothing but pair. See, a pair of shoes, a pair of socks. Can you wear one socks? No, right? You need another socks. So these are called pairs. Now see, what is work in pair? Now you will say, tell me, ma'am, you are teaching us now. Now where does this pair word is coming from, right? ये कहाँ से फिर आ रहा है? Work in pairs. जो pair में काम करता है, कैसे देखो? Think of appropriate nouns to complete the phrase. Now we'll do. See, let's say for example देखो. Every word has its partner. Remember, कोई भी चीज़ हो, किसी एक word का एक partner तो रहता ही है. जैसे a glass of water. A glass of what? A glass of water. तो यहाँ पे पेयर कौन बना? ग्लास और वाटर. ऐसे ऐसे हो सकता है. A glass of juice, a cup of tea, right? So these how the pair work. Now see, अभी देखो ये कुछ एक्सरसाइज है जिसमें यहाँ पे कुछ छोटे छोटे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. Okay? A slice of bread. So slice of what? A bread. It can be a slice of a roti. It can be slice of let's say a slice of pizza, right? Pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. It can be also a pinch of pepper, right? A gust of wind. A gust of wind. A ray of light. A grain of rice. Now here you can also write a grain of wheat, a grain of, let's say, seed. Okay, you can change it. You can always change this. Remember, the nouns that are written here can always be changed, but according to the concept. Now see, if I say a slice of bread, it makes sense, right? If I say a slice of pizza, correct. But if I say a slice of grass, will that sound good? Or is that possible? A slice of a grass? No, right? So, what did I tell you? The place of a noun, the noun, those are placed in this underlined form that can be changed only if it is valid to the previous one. Now see, where were I? Now see, a cake of soap. You know, a piece of soap, the small soap, is called a cake of soap. Did you knew it? A pair of socks, as I told you, a pair of socks, a pair of shoes, a pair of glasses, a pair of scissors, a pair of trousers, okay? A blade of grass. You know what is a blade of grass means? See this part. Narrow line of a glass. Okay, that is called a blade of grass, okay? A chain of mountain. A chain of mountain, okay? So the mountain never like keeps on growing in a, like, let's say a mountain is placed in a simple line. Like for a great example that we have, Himalayan range, that is a mountain range, right? That is a chain of a mountain. Next, see, who am I? So first we did work in pairs, right? Second is who am I? मैं हूँ कौन? Okay. Now see, what is it written here? in this part you have to guess the person. In this part you have to just guess the person. There are people who help us with their service directly or indirectly. We call them by some names. They are provided by the work they do. Now let me explain it to you again. Now see, if you are inside a home, right? घर पे हो, घर पे मम्मी पापा चाचा चाची बड़े पापा बड़े मम्मी दादाजी, right? उन लोग सब है. So those are your family. Those are your no and then family, right? Now if you go to school, by chances think that if you are going to school by a public bus, so there is a driver, there is a conductor, ticket conductor, right? So what does they do? They are helping you. They are carrying you from your home to the school that you are going, right? Now see, they are directly or indirectly they are helping us, right? We provide them some money because the service they do it to us, right? Now see this bus driver. Now why are we giving his name as a driver? He's a person, right? He's just a man. We can call him by his name. Let's say Raju. Raju is a bus driver. We can call her Raju bus. Raju के बस में हम लोग जा रहे हैं. But who is Raju? How can you identify it? He's a driver, right? He drives a bus. So we call him a driver. Now see, what it is written here, we call them by some name that are provided by the work they do, right? So what does Raju do? Raju is driving a bus. So he is nothing but a driver. Now see, the people around us does some work or some services which is directly or indirectly helpful to us. Okay. Now we also name them. We also name them by the work that they are doing. Okay. Let's see. Like what am I doing? I'm teaching you all, right? So I am a teacher. Can you understand? Now you all are listening. So who are you? All are students, right? Now see, who am I? I am trained to care for the sick of firm. I am trained to care for the sick or I infirm. So who am I? Doctor or a nurse. I have expert knowledge of one or more of natural physical science. So I am a scientist. I sell goods and services to other entities. I am a salesman. I am the person in the command of a ship. So I am a captain. I am a public officer appointed to decide cases in the law court. I am a judge. Next see. I am the person who flies an aeroplane. Sorry, I am a person who flies an airplane, helicopter, etc. So I am a pilot. I create paintings or drawings as profession. So I am a painter. I am the one who sells meat. So I am a butcher. Okay, I think this must be new to you. Butcher. I am the person who delivers letters or parcels. He is a postman. I am the person who maintains law and order in a community. He is nothing but a policeman. Now see, these are some professions. So how many professions did we learn today? Let's see. There will be a special video on this profession very soon. Okay. So today we learned somebody about doctor, scientist, salesperson, captain, judge. Next we have pilot, painter, butcher, postman and policeman. So today what did we learn? First revision was about what? Work in pairs. How one word is working in a pair, right? Second we did who am I. So let's end this today here. I hope you enjoyed this session. This small revision will be done in every intervals so that the concept gets clear to you. So मन करने से पहले क्या करोगे? फेसबुक, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल, हर जगह हमको फॉलो करोगे और कोई भी डाउट हो यू कैन राइट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.